Hi, hello everybody. Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal. I am Mallikarjun Patil and this is Patil's virtual classes. As we completed the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, in today's class we will be discussing some applications of trigonometry chapter with all the solutions. Right? So here we go with the introduction part. So in the introduction part, the complete introduction to trigonometry chapter we completed, and what we need to know to resolve with this chapter and all the exercise problems is we need to have all the trigonometric ratios, and basically we need to have all trigonometric standard angles and their respective values, right? So then it is easy for us to go for solving the problems, right? So here we go for the first problem. So here is the question. I'm going to read the question. All of you please do observe the question. So I'm going to read the question. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground is 30°. Right? So all of you please do observe this diagram. In this diagram, what all are the things are given, what we need to find. Right? So here they given a long rope. How much length they given? This length they given is 20-meter long rope, right? This 20-meter long rope is tied to a pole, and the pole vertical pole is AB. We need to find the height of this AB. How much? That we need to find. This much is the question only. So here you can see there is a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Which side is this? What is this side? This side is hypotenuse. Whose hypotenuse is 20-meter, and we know the angle theta. Theta angle is 30°. We need to find its AB. AB is opposite side, right? So all of you please do follow the steps. Write solution first. Write solution. Then you write given. So what all are things are given here? So first thing they given length of rope. Length of a rope. How much they given? Length of rope is equals to, I will take this as AC from the triangle. AC is equals to how much they given? 20-meter they given, right? And they are asking you to find AB. AB is equals to how much? This we need to find, right? See, the AC is hypotenuse and AB is opposite side. Opposite and hypotenuse, in which trigonometric function will get both opposite and hypotenuse? That is sine. So what I will take in triangle ABC, I will take sine 30. What is the ratio? Opposite by hypotenuse, right? What is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2 is equals to, what is opposite side here? AB. Why, what is hypotenuse side here? AC. Right, now cross multiple this AC here, it will come, and therefore AB is equals to AC by 2, which is equals to, how much is AC? AC is 20 by 2. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, this 0 as it is, are 2 10 ja 20. So what we got now? Therefore AB is equals to, how much we got? 10. 10 what? 10 meter. Therefore AB is equals to 10 meter. This is the answer. So as I told, in case of application problems, you need to compulsory conclude the answer with writing the conclusion. Therefore, you write, therefore, what they are asking, that you need to write height of the pole, right? Therefore, height of the pole is 10 meter. This complete the solution. Clear everybody? So please do observe this solution so that we can go for next problem. Am I clear? So now we will go for next question. Please note this all the things. Here we go for next question. Okay. So I am going to read the next question. All of you please do observe here. A tree breaks due to the storm, and the broken part bends to so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30° with it. The distance between the foot of the tree and the point where the top touches to the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So observe the diagram, all of you. Here the diagram is not given in the question. We need to draw. So what I did, I consider the tree. The overall height of the tree is AC. A to C I took. The tree is broken at a part B. It is broken at part B and touching the ground. And the point where it is touching the ground, I took as A dash. I took it as A dash. And the angle, this angle they given is 30 degree, and the distance between foot of the tree to the point where it is touching, how much they given? This one is 8 meter. They're asking you to find height of the tree. See, they not mentioned any remaining portion or remaining height. They are just asking you to find the height of the tree. So what we need to find here is overall height of the tree. So in the figure, all of you observe what is overall height of the tree. The overall height of the tree is AC. You need to find AC is equals to how much? This is question. Am I clear with question? So all of you please do write solution. Write solution. So write given. So what I will do, I will consider let AC be the height of tree, and the broken part I will take as BA. BA dash is broken, right? So here what they given is A dash C is equals to 8 meter, and theta I will take as 30 degree. These all are given things. I need to find AC overall. See, this AC can be written as AB plus BC. Right? What we can write here is AC can be written as AB plus BC, and from figure we know that what we know, AB is also equals to A dash B. Both are same. Now from the figure I will take in triangle. In triangle, which triangle? In triangle A dash BC. Right angle at C. Right. Here I know base A dash C I know is 8 meter. I need to find BC. Right. So opposite adjacent I know, opposite I want to find. Which trigonometric function we need to use? We need to use tan. So I'm going to use tan 30 is equals to, what is the ratio of tan? Opposite by base or opposite by adjacent, which is equals to BC by A dash C. Now what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to BC by A dash C is 8 meter. So this implies BC is equals to 8 by root 3 meter. Now I got BC. What I need to find again here is A dash B. Same from same triangle. Again in triangle A dash BC. What I will take now? Opposite and hypotenuse I want to find. Right? So I will take sine 30. Sine 30 is opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Opposite we don't know. Or we know opposite. Opposite is BC. Here I will write this as BC by A dash B. Right? So BC is how much? 8 by root 3 into A dash B. I will cross multiple here. Now this implies how much I got? A dash B is equals to, or A dash B is also equals to AB. Both are same. AB is equals to how much we got? This 2 is also cross multiplying here with 8. It will become 16. 16 by root 3. Right? So here I got BC as 8 by root 3. Here I got A dash B as 16 by root 3. What I want to find is, therefore AC is equals to AB plus BC, which is equals to 16 root 3. Sorry, 16 by root 3. One second. So this convert as 16 by root 3 plus 8 by root 3. Root 3 is LCM, both are having. So here we can get 23 by root 3, 24 by root 3. 24 can be written as 8 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. This root 3 get cancelled and remaining is only 8 root 3 meter. What is this 8 root 3 meter? This 8 root 3 meter itself is height of the tree. So I will write conclusion here in the box. All of you please do observe here. In this box I am going to write the conclusion. Therefore, height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. So you need to conclude the problem. Clear? If you have any doubt in this solution or any of the solution, please do write a comment so that I can clear your doubts. This is question number 2. Is this clear? So all of you please do note down the solution so that I can go for next question. Next question is question number 3. Okay. Here is question number 3. So I'll read question number 3. All of you please do observe here. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in the park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for the elders, the children she wants to play have a steep side at the height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of slide in the each case? We need to find, right? So two cases are there. Both the diagrams I took already here. All of you please do observe here. In first, for the children below the age of 5 years, the height she preferred is 1.5 meter and the angle of inclination is 30 degrees. So it is a right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, opposite side you know, angle you know, you need to find its slide means you need to find its hypotenuse. In second case also same, the height is 3 meter and the angle is 60 degree. You need to find the length of slide, that is hypotenuse only. So write solution. This one is easy. So write solution. Write given. So I will consider in first case, I will take height AB is equals to 1.5 meter, theta is equals to 30 degree. So in triangle ABC, right angle at C, right angle at B, I will take opposite and hypotenuse means sine. So I will take sine 30 is equals to, ratio will be opposite by hypotenuse, and here the opposite side is AB, hypotenuse side is AC. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 is equals to AB is 1.5 divided by AC. Now cross multiply all of you here these two. Therefore AC is equals to 1.2 into 1.5 is 3 meter. This is first solution. So therefore the length of slide in case of first condition is 3 meter. That is the length of slide. So in second condition we need to find, I will take in second condition what is given here, PQ is equals to 3 meter and theta is equals to 60 degrees. Sin theta remains same, we need to take sine only. So sine of 60 degree is equals to, what is the ratio again, opposite by hypotenuse, that is PQ by PR in this case, right? So PQ is how much? 3 by PR as it is. So the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equals to 3 by PR. This implies PR is equals to 6 by root 3. Okay, I have a doubt here, all of you please do observe here. In such cases, whenever we get a root or root 3 in case of denominator, we will be dividing or we will be not doing, keeping it as it is. Is this correct? Can we write root 6 by root 3 meter? Is this answer? No, because we need to rationalize. This root 3 can be removed. We need to remove this root 3 from the denominator. How we can remove? We can remove it by rationalizing. How that can be done? See, we need to express the 6 in terms of multiples of 3. Right? So this can be did. We can do this by 2 3s are 6. So this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by this root 3 as it is. Now root 3 cancel. What is remaining? Therefore PR is equals to 2 root 3 meter. This is the second case solution. So the length of slide in case of first case is 3 meter and the length of slide in case of second case is 2 root 3 meter. You need to write the conclusion. Therefore, the length of slide is equals to 2 root 3 meter in the second case. Is it clear? So all of you please do note down the solution. I will go for next problem. This is question number 4, right? Okay, all of you observe here. I am going to read the question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of tower. So observe the diagram. Here they given both the base value they given as well as theta value they given. They are asking to find its height. So in a right angle triangle, base we know, we need to find its opposite side, right? So write solution. Write given. So I will take let AB be height of the tower, right? So theta is equals to 30 degrees also given and BC is equals to 30 meter is also given. So in triangle ABC, what I will take now, opposite and adjacent means I have to take tan 30 is equals to ratio is opposite by base, that is adjacent. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Please do remember all the trigonometric standard angles and their values, right? So opposite side here is AB by adjacent is BC, which is also equals to AB by BC is 30. So if this 30 will go here, it will become therefore AB is equals to 30 by root 3 meter. Answer over. Am I clear? Is it correct or not? Just now we discussed we should not keep this root 3 in the denominator as it is. We need to rationalize it, right? So rationalization, how we will do, AB is equals to this 30 can be written as 10 into 3. Why? We need to remove this 3, right? So this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by again root 3. These two root 3 will get cancelled and the answer is 10 root 3 meter. So what we need to do at the end of this such problems, we need to write its conclusion. Therefore height of tower is 10 root 3 meter. Therefore the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. This is the solution of fourth question. All of you note down the solution of fourth question. We will go for solving question number 5. So here we go for question number 5. So I will read the question. All of you please do observe here. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. From the ground level, the kite is at a height of 60 meter. The string is attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. So observe the diagram, all of you. If you consider this level as ground level and from the ground, how much height the kite is? The kite is at a height of 60 meter. And from the kite, whatever thread we were tying, that is temporarily fixed to a point P to the ground, and this is making an angle of inclination is 60 degree with the ground. They are asking you to find the length of the string, assuming there is no slack, means there is no slacks are there in the thread, no disturbance is there in the thread, it is stretched fully, means it is a straight line, right? So please don't ask it may be slang or it may be sang, right? It is a straight line. They are asking you to avoid that whatever things you are thinking, right? So they are asking you to find this value, that is the length of string, right? So in the given diagram, you can see in the right angle triangle, angle we know, opposite side we know, you need to find its hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, which trigonometric function? All of you write solution, write given. I will take the height of let height in bracket. I will take KL is equals to 60 meter, theta is equals to 60 degree. So in triangle, which triangle? KLP. In triangle KLP, of which trigonometric function opposite and hypotenuse is sine. I will take sine 60 degrees equals to ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equals to opposite here is KL. KL by KP, which is 60 by KP as it is. That is the length of thread we need to find. So therefore KP is equals to 60 into 2 divided by root 3. We need to convert 120 by root 3. We need to convert this 120 in terms of multiples of 3. Please do remember this to remove this root 3 from the denominator. So what I will write? I will write this as 40 into 3. 43 is a 120. So this 3 can be now written as root 3 into root 3 whole divided by root 3. Root 3 and root 3 cancel, and the answer is there for KP is equals to 40 root 3 meter. 40 root 3 meter. What is this KP? Therefore KP is what? Length of string is 40 root 3 meter. This is the conclusion of the problem. Am I clear? So all of you please note down the solution of fifth problem. Now we will go for question number 6. So here is question number 6. So please do read such questions very carefully, especially from 6 onwards. Now questions are somewhat they are going to be different, right? A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. So after reading one line, you can go for drawing the diagram of this particular problem. See here, I will take a straight line which is whose height is 30 meter, which is given in the question. Right? The angle of elevation from his eyes. See, if I take this height as the length of boy, here will be his eyes. Right? At a head, we will be having his height. So from his eyes to the top of the building, the angle of elevation the given is 30 degree initially at the point where that boy is standing initially from this place. And he is moving. Please observe here, he walks towards the building. He is walking towards the building. When he is walking towards the building, the angle of elevation changes. It increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. They are asking you to find the distance he walked towards the building, that is from this point to this point. What is the distance you need to find? Or from this A to B, you need to find how much is AB, or you need to find how much is ST. This is given question. Am I clear with questions? So all of you, let's start solving this problem. Write solution, write given. You will take let PQ be building. Therefore PQ height is how much? 30 meter I will take. And what I will take? AS be height of boy, that is 1.5 meter. So all of you observe the figure. PQ is 30 meter and AS is also equals to BT is also equals to RQ. So I will write this. AS is also equals to BT is also equals to RQ. These all are equals to 1.5 meter. Am I correct? So from this given thing, what we can write here is PR. This is very important, all of you. PR is equals to PQ minus RQ. Right? So how much is this? Is minus PQ minus RQ. This is minus. How much is PQ? Is 30 minus 1.5, which is equals to 28.5 meter, which is This can also be written as 57 by 2 meter. Either you use this one or you use this one, which is easy. So after solving the problem, you'll come to know why I took like this, and whichever easy you can consider. So after doing this, I will take any one of the right angle triangle. In triangle PRB, PRB, triangle VRB, right angle at B. One thing is 57 by 2, one is 60 degree. I will find PR. So opposite and adjacent, I will take tan, right? So tan 60 degree is equals to how much? Opposite by adjacent, that is PR by BR, right? So tan 60 degrees root 3 is equals to PR is how much? PR is 57 by 2 into BR is PR, we don't know, we'll find this, into BR as it is at the nanometer. So this implies BR can be written as, this will multiple here. So it is 57 by 2 root 3. Such so much of meter. This is BR. Now I am going to find AR in triangle PRA. Right? So in triangle PRA, all of you observe the diagram, will come to know. I will take tan 30 is equals to PR by AR. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to PR, we don't know as it is. Now PR we know 57 by 3, 57 by 2 into AR as it is. This implies AR is equals to 57, this root 3 will go here, it will multiple 57 into root 3 by 2, right? So keep this as it is. What is this? 57 by 57 into root 3 by 2. Keep this as it is, right? So now what we can do here is, the boy is moving from A to B. AB can be written as AR minus BR. Am I right? So AR is how much? 57 root 3 by 2 minus 57 by 2 root 3. Right? So it's correct. And here what we need to do is, I will take this 57 by this 57 by, okay, 57 root 3 by 2 minus this 57 by root 3 can be written as 19 into root 3 into root 3 by 2 root 3 cancel. So 57 root 3 minus 19 root 3 by 2, which is, I will take here this step, all of you please do observe here. From here I am writing here, it is 38 root 3 by 2, which is 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 9 ja. Therefore the distance covered by the boy is 19 root 3 meter. So what we need to conclude here is, this is the solution, all of you please do observe here. 19 root 3 meter. From here to here, from A to B, how much the boy is moving? The boy is moving at a distance of 19 root 3 meter. Clear? Here we go for next question. So next question I am going to read all of you. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of a bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at a 20-meter height building is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. See, when they told it, there is a tower which is fixed at a 20-meter height building. So we need to draw this line. I will take first the 20-meter height building. Above this the building, I am going to fix a height of the tower. I am going to fix the tower of height AP. From a point on the ground, we don't know where exactly it is. From this point, we are going to observe to the tower, and two angles are given from the top of the tower and the bottom of the tower. Top of the tower they given is 60 degree, and the bottom of the tower is the given is 45 degree. They are asking you to find height of tower. So in this figure, what we need to find is, we need to find AB. We need to find AP, right? So write solution, all of you. Write solution. Write given. So I will take, let AB be tower and BC be building. How much is the height of building they given is 20 meter, right? So in first case I will take theta is equals to 45 degree. So if the theta is 45 degree in triangle, which triangle? All of you observe the diagram in triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, tan 45 is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is BC by DC, which is 20 by DC. Tan 45 value is 1. So what we can write, therefore DC is also equals to 20 meter. DC, the distance between the foot of the building and the point is 20 meter, right? So in second case, I will take theta is equals to, how much they given is 60 degree. And now which triangle exists? In triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC I will take tan 60 degree is equals to AC by DC. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. Root 3 is equals to AC is how much? AC can be written as AB plus BC divided by DC is how much? 20. This 20 will multiply here, it will be 20 root 3. Now therefore AB is how much? AB we don't know. AB plus BC is 20 is equals to 20 root 3. Now AB is equals to 20 root 3 minus this plus 20 will come here and it will become minus 20. Now observe here what is common between these two. Therefore AB is equals to 20. If we take common, remaining is root 3 minus 1 meter. This is the answer. What is this AB? Here only you see what is this AB, we wrote already. AB is the height of tower. What we need to write at the end? We need to write its conclusion. Therefore the height of the tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. This is the height of tower. Clear? So this is about the solution of question number 7. Can we go for next solution, that is question number 8. Question number 8 we will solve now. So here is the question number 8. All of you observe. I am going to read the question. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation to the top of the statue is 60 degree. So observe the diagram here. I took AB is a statue and its top is A and its bottom is B. To its top, the angle of elevation given is 60 degree. To its bottom, that is the top of the pedestal they given, which is also the same point, the angle of elevation they given is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. We need to find BC is equals to how much? We need to find BC is the height of pedestal. So what we will write now? Write solution. Write solution. Write given. We will consider let AB is equals to 1.6 meter. What is this? This is statue. Right? Then I will take BC is equals to height of, that only we need to find height of pedestal. And theta, in case of first condition, I will take theta is equals to 45 degree. Just now we did for sine problem. In previous problem, tan 45 is how much is 1. So I will take this tan 45 is equals to BC by DC. This implies the tan 45 value is 1. Right? So 1 is equals to BC by DC, that is BC is equals to DC. Both are equal. See, whenever there exists 45 degree, you need to take its opposite and adjacent sides are equal. So in second case, when the theta will become 60 degree now, when theta will become 60 degree now, in which triangle? In triangle ACD. What we need to consider is, see, I know it's based DC. I know I need to find its opposite side. Again, I will take sine tan only. I will take tan 60 degree is equals to AC by DC. Tan 60 is root 3. AC is how much? AB plus BC. DC is how much? DC and AB are DC and BC are same. I will take this as BC only. Right now, multiple here, cross multiple this. It will be root 3 BC. Now AB plus BC is equals to BC root 3. This plus root 3 will come here. It will become minus root 3 now. So AB is equals to BC root 3 minus BC. I will take this BC common. What is remaining? Root 3 minus 1. This is AB. AB is how much? AB is 1.6. So therefore, BC is equals to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. So as I told in the previous problems, what we need to do in such situation, we need to rationalize the denominator. What is rationalizing the denominator? We need to remove these root values from this. So into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1, which is 1.63 into 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by. This is a formula, a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? Formula a square minus b square, that is root 3 square minus 1. Right, this square root cancel, remaining is 2. 1.6 by 2 is 0.8. 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. If this answer is missing, I will write here. Therefore, BC is equals to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the answer. What conclusion we will write down? BC is what? What is that BC? BC is height of pedestal. So write the conclusion. Therefore, the height of the pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Am I clear? So that we can go for next problem. Here is next problem. This is question number 9. The angle of elevation from the top of a building to the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation from the top of the tower to the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is the height of 50 meter, find the height of building. See, two things they are given here. Diagram they not give. Please observe here. There is a tower and there is a building. From its top we were observing, and the elevation they given, and the bottom of one more tower will be observing the building. Again they given the angle of elevation. Both the angles they given, and one height also they given, that is 50 meter. Both the angles we know. We need to find its height. Whose height we need to find? AB. AB is height of building. Right. Right. Solution here. Right. Given. What given here? I will take let AB height of building, which we need to find. Building. Then I will take CD is equals to 50 meter. What is this? This is height of tower. Right? In first case, I will take theta as 60 degree and 30 degree. I will take one triangle. In triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, where theta is equals to 60 degree, I will take tan 60 degree is equals to opposite by base, that is DC by BD. Tan 60 value is root 3. DC is 50 divided by BD. So this implies BD is equals to how much? 50 by root 3 meter. Right. So I'm going to keep this 50 by root 3 BD as it is. I'll take one more triangle. Now in triangle, one more triangle is ABD. In triangle ABD, where theta is equals to 30 degree, I will take tan 30 is equals to AB by BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That is BD by root 3 is equals to AB. Now therefore AB is equals to 50 root 3, 50 by root 3 into root 3, which is equals to 50 by 3. This much meter is the height of the building, or we can solve this problem. So I'm going to explain how they wrote the answer. Here is 50 by 3 we need to do. 50 by 3. It is 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja 3 here, and the remaining is 23 6 18, and the remainder is 2. So if you are not getting, please do go for traditional method, which you know 50 by 3 how to do this. 3 1 ja 3 here, remaining is 2 20, and 3 6 ja 18. The remainder is 2, right? So here 3 and 16 is there. So what answer we can write here is AB is equals to 16 is to 2 by 3 meter. This is the height of building, right? Therefore the height of the building is 16 into 2 by 3 meter, or 50 by 3 meter. Am I clear? Can we go for next question? All of you write the solution. We'll go for next question. So here is the next question. That is question number 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other in the either side of the road. In a road, there are two poles on the either side, and both the height of the poles are equal. They given the width of the road is 80 meter. They give, which is 80-meter width, right? Find there is a point between them on the road. The angle of elevation from the top of the poles is 30 degree and 60 degree. From that point to one pole is 30 degree, one pole is 60 degree. They are asking to find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from both the poles. So all of you observe the diagram. Here are two poles. One is pole AB and one is pole CD. Both are equal in height, but we don't know how much it is. And the road width between these two poles is 80 meter. There is a point between these two. We don't know exactly where it is. We need to find. Right? They given two angle of elevation. One is 30 degree and one is 60 degree. Right? So write solution. Alright, given. So I will take let AV is equals to CD. What this is? Height of poles. I'll take this as height of poles, and width of road. Width of road I will take as BD, which is equals to 80 meter. Am I clear? So I will take one triangle now. Now in triangle ABO, which is having 60 degree. So I will take tan 60 degree is equals to AB by OB. Tan 60 is root 3 is equals to AB by OB, or this can be written as OB is equals to OB can be written as AB by root 3. I will keep this as it is. I will take one more triangle now in triangle CDO. Here also I will take tan 30 is equals to CD by OD. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. CD I don't know. I will keep the CD as it is, divided by OD can be written as, how much is OD? OD can be written as BD minus OB, which is equals to CD by BD is 80 minus this OB can be written as, how we can write this OD can be written as 80 minus OB we found here, no, this AB by root 3. Instead of OB I will write this here. So minus of AB by root 3, right? So I will take root 3 LCM here. Here I will take root 3 LCM. Here remaining is 80 root 3 minus AB. But this root 3 will come here and it will multiply with CD, right? CD and AB are equal. Here only we wrote in the given only, right? So here is 1 by root 3 is equals to CD into root 3 divided by 80 root 3 minus, either you can write AB or you can write CD only twice. Now cross multiply. This is equal implies 80 root 3 is equals to, right? So this is minus CD. If it comes to this side, it will become plus CD. Right? 2 CD, 3 CD plus CD is 4 CD. 4 CD means it is divided by 4, and this will be 2. This will be 20 root 3. Therefore, the height of the poles, what we can write here is 20 root 3 meter is the height of the pole, and this is 20 root 3. If we take root 3 cancel, and the answer is 20. If one this OB is 20, what is remaining portion here? It is 60. This is 20. Therefore, see, one answer is 20 root 3. Both the height of the poles is 20 root 3, and the distance of this point is, from one side it is 20 meter, from one side it is 60 meter. Clear? So we need to write the conclusion. Therefore, the height of the poles is 20 root 3 meter, and the distance of the points from each pole is 1. From one pole is 20 meter, from another pole is 60 meter. Clear? Can we go for next problem? Next problem is, here we go for next question. Okay. The next question is question number 11. I am going to read the question. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower of an angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degree. From the another point 20 meter away from this point. So please do observe the diagram they given in the question only. From this point 20 meter away, right? 20 meter away from this point there is another point. From this point again the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degree. So 2 points they given, and the distance between 2 points also given. They are asking to find the height of the tower. This height AB, this is AB, this total height AB you need to find, and the width of the canal, this is BC. These two you need to find. You need to find AB in the figure and as well as BC, right? So write solution, all of you. Write solution. Write given. Here we have let AB is height of tower. This is not given actually. We are considering height of tower. Height of tower. BC width of canal. What they given is CD. CD is equals to 20 meter they given, right? So I will consider now first triangle. Now in triangle ABC, we have tan 60 degree is equals to AB by BC. Tan 60 is root 3 is equals to AB by BC. This implies AB is equals to root 3 BC. We got here, or you can write BC is equals to AB by root 3, or BC is equals to AB by root 3. Both you write, whichever we need that we can use later. Now in triangle ABD, we have 30. I will take tan 30 is equals to again AB by BD here, right? So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 is equals to, this AB can be written as root 3 BC. I will use this. AB can be written as root 3 BC divided by BD. This total BD can be written as 20 plus BC. Correct? Now cross multiple both the things. This 20 plus root 3 into 1 is 20 plus root 3. This implies 20 BC. 20 plus plus BC it is. 20 plus BC is equals to this root 3 will come here. Root 3 into root 3 is 3BC. Right, so this plus BC will come here, it will become minus BC. 3BC minus BC is 2BC. So 2BC is equals to 20, 2 1 2 10. We got BC is equals to 10 meter. What is BC? BC is width of canal, right? Therefore, the width of canal is 10 meter. Now, what is the height? Therefore, AB is equals to is root 3 BC, that is 10 root 3 meter. 10 root 3 meter. Right, this 10 root 3 meter is height of the tower. This 10 meter is width of the canal. Am I clear with the solution, all of you? So if you found any difficulty in understanding this or any mistake or doubt if you are getting, please do comment so that I can solve your doubts. Right? So can we go for next one? Okay, we'll go for next question. Okay, this is question number 12. So I will read the question, all of you observe here. From the top of a 7-meter height building, the angle of elevation to the top of the cable is 60 degree and the angle of depression to the foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of tower. Right? See, they are asking to find the height of tower observed from a 7-meter height building. So in the figure you see there is a AB building. We took a building AB. We took a building AB here and the height of this is 7 meter. From this, the top of this point, we were observing the top of a tower and the bottom of a tower. So they given angle of elevation and both the angle of depression. Both they given. One is 45 degree and one is 60 degree. So same I am going to transfer because this AB, AE and BD are parallel. So if this one is 45 degree, its transaction if we take here, it is also 45 degree. Right? So write solution. Write given. Here I will take let AB is equals to 7 meter. What is this? Height of building. Right? So then I will take CD is height of tower. Right? So in triangle ABD tan 45 I will take, which is equals to AB by BD. Tan 45 is 1, which is equals to AB is 7 by BD. This implies what we get, BD is equals to 7 meter. This BD we got 7 meter. After solution we got this as 7 meter. If BD is 7 meter, what is AE? AE also 7 meter. Therefore, AE is also equals to BD is also equals to 7 meter. Now in triangle ACE I am considering. Observe where it is, ACE here it is. ACE in this triangle, again 60 degrees there I will take tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite is CE, adjacent is AE. Tan 60 value is root 3. CE how much we got? CAE and sorry CE we don't know as it is, keep as it is. This we got as 7. So this implies CE is equal to how much? 7 root 3 meter. See here we got CE, here we got AE. What is CD? CD is equals to CE plus ED. Now therefore CD is equals to CE plus ED, which is also equals to CE is also equals to CE we got as 7 root 3. I will add 7 root 3 plus here ED is also equals to AB because both are same only, that is 7 meter. So if I take 7 common in this, what is remaining? Root 3 plus 1 meter. What is this? Root 3 plus 1 meter. 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter, that is the height of tower. So right here, therefore, conclusion, write all of you. Therefore, height of the tower is 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter. So this is the solution of 12th question. Am I clear with this? Can we go for next one? Okay. Question number 13. Here we go. As observed from the top of a 75-meter height building, the given a building of height 75 meter. I took AB as 75 meter lighthouse from a sea level. The angle of depression to two ships the given one ship is at 30 degree and one ship is at 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other, here you can see this, both are exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. Find the distance between these two ships. What we need to find is CD. We need to find how much is this distance. CD we need to find. Here the given is height of the lighthouse is 75 degree and this is 45 and this is 30 degrees given. Right? So write solution. Right given. So I will take let AB is equals to 75 meter. And what is this AB? AB is height of the lighthouse. Right? So now in triangle ABC, I will take tan 45 degree is equals to AB by BC. Tan 45 is 1. AB is 75 by BC. So this implies we got BC is also equals to 75 meter. Right. BC also 75 meter. Now in triangle, one more triangle. Now in triangle ABD. In this triangle, what I will take again? Tan 30 is equals to AB by BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is 75. BD can be written as BC plus CD and that BC is 75 plus CD. Right. So I will take this here cross multiple. So it will be 75 plus CD is equals to 75 root 3. This plus 75 will come here, it will be minus 75. So CD is equals to 75 into root 3 minus 1. What is 75 into root 3 minus 1? This is CD. Right? And they are asking you to find CD only. We got CD is equals to 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. This will be the answer. Am I clear? So therefore, both the ships, what conclusion we, so I write here. Conclusion what we can write for? Therefore, distance between the two ships. The distance between the two ships is 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. This is the conclusion of 13th problem. Am I clear? Is that clear? Any doubt in this question? So if no, we will go for next question. Question number 14. Here is question number 14. Two diagrams are there. Actually, only one diagram we need to do. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind, a horizontal line at height of 88.2 meter from the ground. Right? From 88.2 meter from the ground diagram. Right? So the angle of elevation to the balloon from the eyes of the girls at an instant is 60 degree. Means initially when she is absorbing the balloon, initially it is 60 degree. Then the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. See, two things we need to observe here. If the angle of elevation is reducing, the thing is going away. If the angle of elevation is increasing, the thing is going nearer to us. It is coming nearer to us, or we are going nearer to whatever the object we were observing, right? They are asking you to find the distance traveled by the balloon during this travel. So observe this diagram first, all of you. This is the first point where the girl is observing the balloon. So here initially from her eyesight, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. She is standing at the same place. She will be here only. But the balloon is moving from here to here. When the balloon is moving away from the girl, the angle of elevation reduces. It is reducing from 60 degree to 30 degree. Right? Means the balloon is moving. I will take the balloon is moving from a point A to a point B. And height of the girl also they given 1.2 meter, and overall height of this balloon from the ground is 88.2 meter they given. So in this 88.2, what else if I reduce the 1.2 meter height of this girl, what is remaining? 81, right? 81 meter. Right? They are asking you to find the moment of the balloon. A to B. We need to find AB or this diagram. You see. Either you find AB, or you find EG, or you find FH. Any one out of these you need to find. This is question. Clear? So write solution here. Write given. So I will take let height of girl is equals to 1.2 meter. I will take this as CD. Observe the diagram will come to know. CD. Right? A and B are AB what? Two spots of balloon. Two spots of balloon which is moving from one place to another place that I am going to take. We need to find AB. Now in triangle ACE. In triangle ACE I will take tan 60 is equals to AE by CE. Tan 60 value is root 3. AE we don't know. AE we know. AE is 80. AE is 88.2 minus 1.2 divided by CE. That is 88.2. It is okay. It will be 87 by CE. So this implies CE is equals to 87 by root 3. This is CE. Keep as it is, or you can remove this root 3 by multiplying the above equation, that is 19 3 57, or you can take this as 29 3 29 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. If we cancel, remaining is 29 root 3 meter. This is CE. I keep it as it is. Now I will take again in one more triangle BGC. In triangle BGC I will take, here I will take tan 30 is equals to BG by CG. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. BG value is again 87. CG. CG can be written as CE plus EG. Right? So this implies CE is CE cross multiple you do. CE plus EG is equals to 87 root 3. Right now CE we know. Now EG is equals to 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. Now subtract and write the value. Therefore, E G is equals to how many root? 87 minus 29 means how many root 3? Subtract and write the values. 58 root 3 meter. What is this? This 58 root 3 meter itself is the distance covered by the balloon from one place to another place. This is question number. I think we move from question number we move. Right. This is not the solution of the last question. Okay, I will please do wait. This is the solution. Right, this is the solution. This is easy. Right, therefore the height. Therefore, here you can write conclusion. Therefore, AB is equals to 58 root 3 meter. Therefore, what conclusion we will write? Therefore, the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval is 58 root 3 meter. Right? 58 root 3 meter is the distance covered by the balloon during this. Can we go for next question? This is question number 15. We'll go for next one. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top from the tower is observing the car as angle of depression 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower. Means toward the building the tower is coming with a uniform speed they given. Means there is no change in the speed. It is going to take 6 seconds. 6 seconds later, the angle of elevation, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Means initially when the observer is observing, the angle of depression is 30 degree, and now it is changing to 60 degree. Means the car is coming towards the building. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. Means observe this diagram. I will tell all of you. See, initially the car is at this point. Initially the car is at the point. See, it is coming towards the tower, and when it reaches to D point, it is going to take how many from here to here? How many seconds it is taking? 6 seconds. To move from C to D point, it is taking 6 seconds. And the question is, how much time this car is taking to move from D to B? How much seconds? This is question, right? Speed remains same because they mention in the question with uniform speed. If this is question clear, right solution all of you. Right solution, right given. So what we will take? Let AB be tower. Here nothing is given. A straight highway leads to a foot of the tower. A man is only 2 degrees are given, and 6 second time is given, and uniform speed is given. So from figure the time I write time taken to move from C to D is 6 seconds. This time is 6 seconds, right? So we need to find the time taken to move from D to B. So in triangle ABD, or in triangle ABC, I'll take first tan. Any you can take, no problem. Tan 30 is equals to AB by CD. AB by BC or CB. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Is equals to AB by BC. So this implies what is AB? No, don't take AB. Take C BC. Or you can write anything. No AB is equals to BC by root 3. Keep as it is. Now I will take one more triangle. In triangle ABD, this triangle tan 60 is equals to AB by BD. Tan 60 value is root 3 is equals to AB by BD. This implies here AB is equals to uh, AB is equals to root 3 BD, or BD is equals to, it is a distance BD, right? So BD is equals to AB by root 3 here. This implies BC is equals to AB root 3. See, now I will take CD. CD is the distance which can be written as CB or BC minus BD. BC minus BD. BC is how much? AB root 3 minus BD is how much? AB by root 3. If I take AB common, remaining is root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Why I am doing this? Because we know CD is the distance. See, we know time taken to cover the distance from C to D is 6 seconds. We need to calculate how much that distance is. Right? That's why I am finding CD. So which is written as, which is equals to AB into, so if I take root 3 LCM, it will be root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 3. This is CD. Am I clear? This CD is equals to 2AB by root 3. I will write. CD is equals to 2AB by root 3. Right? So we got this distance now. To cover this much of distance, it is taking 6 seconds. And to, we know BD also. To cover this AB by root 3 of distance, how much time it is taking, that we need to find. So I will write here one important thing, that is, you need to know the speed remains constant here. The speed is uniform. We need to use the formula of speed. That is, what is speed? Distance covered in a unit time, or distance by time. Right? We need to find distance by time. We need to do. Here CD is the distance divided by. I will take this CD by 6 seconds is equals to BD is the also distance. BD by how many seconds? I will take X seconds. Right? So CD, how much we got? This is CD. We got CD as 2AB by root 3. So 2 AB by root, we move to next question. Right? So 2AB by root 3 into 6 is equals to BD is AB by root 3 into X. So here AB cancel, here AB cancel, here root 3 cancel, here root 3 cancel, here 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. This implies X is equals to 3 seconds. Right? The time taken by the car to move from D to B. See, the time taken by the car to move from D to B is 3 seconds, or to reach the foot of the tower is 3 seconds. So if this calculation is not clear, I'll explain that in one more letter. Here only I'll explain that. Right? The time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower is 3 seconds. Is that clear? So if this calculation is not clear, I am going to explain it here only, this particular area. Observe here also. This calculation I am explaining here. 2AB by root 3 into 6 is equals to AB by root 3 into x, like this it is. So I'm going to cancel. Here also AB, here also AB cancel. Here also root 3, here also root 3 cancel. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Now cross multiply this 3 go here, this x will come here. Therefore x is equals to 3 seconds. Clear? So this is about 15th problem. Can we go for next question now? The last question, all of you. This is the last question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from 4 meter and 9 meter means one point is at 4 meter, one point is at 9 meter from the base of the tower. So if I take AQ, if I take this AQ as a tower, from its base one point is at a distance of 4 meter and one point is at a distance of 9 meter. They are giving you, there is no angle they given, right? What they given, the same straight line, the angles are complementary they give. The angles are complementary. Complementary and supplementary angles are there. Please do remember, complementary word indicates that the sum of angles are 90 degree. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. We need to prove this height of the, they only given in question. In question only they gave this is 6 meter. You need to prove this. It is a prove that type of question. Right? So we need to consider one, if one angle is theta, one more angle will be 90 minus theta, because the sum of these two should be complementary. They say complementary means 90 degree, supplementary means 180 degree, right? Remember these two differences. So write solution, write given. So I will consider let AQ be height of tower. No need to consider, actually they only given here AQ is equals to 6. I will take that we need to prove. So one angle is 90. I will take in triangle AQR, tan of theta or tan theta is equals to AQ by 4 or AQ by RQ. RQ is 4. I will take this as equation 1. Now in triangle AQS, tan of 90 minus theta, here it is tan of 90 minus theta, AQ by 9. Formula we studied, complementary angle formula. Tan of 90 minus theta cot theta is equals to AQ by 9. I will take this as equation 2. Now what I will do, I will multiple equation 1 and 2. I'm going to multiple equation 1 and 2. See what equation 1 is, tan theta into cot theta. I hope all of you know what is the relation between tan and cot. They are reciprocal to each other. It will cancel and the answer will be 1. And here it will be AQ by 4 into AQ by 9. Now tan cot cancel, answer is 1. Why? Tan is 1 by cot and cot is 1 by tan. Tan cancel, cot cancel, you can cancel that. AQ into AQ is AQ square divided by 4 9 is 36. This implies AQ is equals to root of 36. Therefore, AQ is equals to 36 is a perfect square of 6. What is AQ? That is height of meter. Actually, this is they given in the question only. We just proved the height of tower is 6 meter. So here we completed all the problems of the exercise and in the chapter some applications of trigonometry. Am I clear? So one important note what I am going to give here in this class is trigonometry is one of the important chapter in the mathematics of any class if you are going to deal with in next after 10th, right? In after 10th in P1 and P2 compulsory that trigonometry will be there in both the cases, and not only in the trigonometry chapter but all other chapters including trigonometry, inverse trigonometry, and in differentiation you will get trigonometry, in integration also you will get trigonometry. If you know some basics of trigonometry, then only it is easy for you to go for next problems, right, or next type of the chapters, right? So this is the importance of trigonometry. All of you please do read, write and practice the trigonometry chapter. So all of you, please do follow and subscribe Patil's virtual classes and enjoy learning mathematics.